Morning, Tylee. Did you bonk your head? Listen, let's show Gar what all these words are on our refrigerator, okay? Alright, let's look. What's this one?
Oh, a duck.
How about this one?
Oh, mama.
How about this one?
Bull. Tasty.
This one.
It's a house.
How about this one?
Grandma.
Here's Grandma. How about this one?
Oh, Tally.
That's right. Now let's look at these. Can you find your name over here?
Right here.
Good job.
That's the tail.
That's Taylor's name. That's right.
What? That's Tally.
That one says Texas. It's got a T like Tylee, but it's T for Texas. See, it's got an X in it. X. And this one, a G, 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 G. That's right. How about a P? P, P, P.
P.
P, P, P. P, 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 P.
Papa.
That's right. How about this one right here?
Oh, I don't know.
It's a mountain and a circle and a mountain. What sounds like
Mommy.
Mom, that's right.
Mama.
Can you tell Gargar that you love her?
I love her.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera and say love you.
Love you.
And say we'll see you Thanksgiving.
Thanks, Adrian.
And we're gonna go see Cinderella on ice.
Ice.
Does that sound like fun?
Yes.
All right.